Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Now today's video is gonna be super awesome because I have something very special to show you guys. It's a dream come true for gamers guys. I have the most powerful gaming graphics card in the world, the RTX 2080 Ti. This is Nvidia's next level flagship. It's the newest graphics card guys and it's very powerful. This is powered by Nvidia's latest Turing GPU architecture, has 11 gigs of ultra-fast GDDR6 memory, and next level breakthrough graphics. It offers cinematic level quality graphics in your games guys. I can't wait to unbox and check it out. So let's get started with the video. So behold, here it is, Nvidia's Geforce RTX 2080 Ti graphics card. It's a monster. This beast GPU is the company's newest flagship and is a revolution in terms of gaming realism and performance. I've been waiting so long to get my hands on it and I finally got it. So the Geforce RTX 2080 Ti comes in this sort of box packing. This is the Founders Edition guys and comes overclocked from the factory. These new RTX GPUs are powered by Turing GPU architecture and all new RTX platform. They offer you up to 6 times more performance than the previous generation and brings the power of real-time ray tracing and AI to your games. I can't wait to put this thing in action. The box pack-in looks quite nice with a black and green color scheme. You got the RTX 2080 Ti branding on the front, and at the top it says this GPU is inspired by gamers and built by Nvidia. Let's see what else is written on it. Alright, looks like there's nothing else on the box except the Nvidia branding. Okay, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this tape here. So let's open it and check out the GPU. Here we go. Oh my god, so here it is guys, the ultimate beast. It's the king of all gaming graphic cards, RTX 2080 Ti. Let me just take it out of the box. Holy smokes, this thing looks beautiful and it's so heavy. Easily weighs around 2 kgs, and just look at that finishing. It says RTX 2080 Ti at the center and the entire body is made of aluminum. On the front it's got a dual axial 13 blade fans coupled with a new vapor chamber inside for ultra cool and quiet performance. This is how it looks from the top angle. This Geforce RTX logo glows in Nvidia's signature green color when you power it on. There's not much of lighting on it, but still love this new dual fan design. So if you guys don't know what RTX is or you're new to this subject, just watch this video to learn about it. RTX platform brings together real-time ray tracing, AI which is artificial intelligence, and programmable shading for a whole new way to experience gaming. This is the next level stuff from the company. Ray tracing simulates lighting in such a way to bring real-time cinematic quality rendering to your games like never before. The RTX 2080 Ti is powered by two 8-pin power connectors, has a memory interface width of 352-bit and ultra-fast 11 gigs of GDDR6 memory with a speed of 14 Gbps. It's got 4352 CUDA cores with a base clock frequency of 1350 MHz and a boost clock frequency of 1635 MHz. Those are some insane specs guys, I can't wait to see how it performs. Talking about the connectivity ports, it's got a virtual link USB Type-C port, 3 display ports which allow up to 8K at 60Hz output, and lastly a HDMI 2.0B port for 4K output at 60Hz. Also, the 2080 Ti has two NVLink connectors for SLI support, but for that you need to buy an NVLink bridge separately. So that was our overview on the RTX 2080 Ti. Along with that, you also get an accessory box in the package which includes a DisplayPort to DVI adapter and some paperwork. You have a quick start guide and support guide. Make sure to read them for all the info on the product. So that was my unboxing and overview on my new RTX 2080 Ti. The GPU looks amazing and I can't wait to see how it performs. I'll be installing the RTX in my PC and will be testing it for a few days before I can make a review on it. I'll be testing a lot of games in 4K with the DXR mode turned on and off. Plus, I'll also be making a super powerful gaming PC build with the 2080 Ti very soon. So stay tuned for that. Also, do let me know in the comment section which games you want me to play with the RTX 2080 Ti. I'll definitely try to get them for benchmarks. So that was it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.